my grandfather had a black belt in judo. And recently I've been training in Brazilian jiu-jitsu. Both of these are grappling martial arts. Grappling martial arts involve holding the body and restraining the body, as opposed to striking martial arts, which involve kicking and punching. And because of that background, I became very attentive to how individuals move their body and the way in which our culture does or does not kind of emphasize those particular sorts of skills. So separately, I was a law professor. I am a law professor who was observing our national discourse on policing and observing that in a lot of these viral videos of police officers disproportionately killing unarmed Black men, a lot of times in these situations, there was some sort of moment where the police were putting hands on the body to restrain these individuals. They were incompetent in doing so. And that led to this escalation and ultimately to them using their firearms. So the combination of my personal background and what was happening in the world and my legal background led me to start to think about what are the ways in which law, culture, and policy recognize or fail to recognize this problem of physical restraint.